But it's real. And I feel like you'll never understand the situation until you go through. One of my closest cousin passed away. Uyazibulala. So ekhaya, isikhiya besisibeka, because yimbe ngibuya kuqala, so bekangishiyela isikhiya somewhere. So, mangibuya kolanda isikhiya, mase ngila ngizwa into ithi like footsteps, ne? And then mina, I'm walking on the pavement, but this person is walking estupini. Ngithi mara ngibuye emuva mos, angibonanga muntu, sengithukile. Mangithi ngibheke emuva, nangu lo muntu, uthi ungabaleki, uyangigijimisa. Ngaphuma ekhaya kuse-main road. Ngaphuma cishe ngichayiswa imoto, ngize like ngigijinyelwa yilo mama uthengisa yilabantu abathengisa amatamati bahamba ukuthi kwenze njani sengishiya igate livuliwe. Umama makafika naye akangibuza ukuthi ngobile why uyathetha uniform ngalesikhathi yo ngithi lo muntu lo understanding. I'm frustrated ukuthi ngiqeda ukubona lento engiqeda ukuyibona ngithukile ngihlele estradeni ngisevencheni phakathi evencheni ngihleli in the city le ekwi-middle ngene eTexini ngiyahlala eTexini imali mosisi indlulisa so ngizwe umuntu uthi mangithi uye futhi lo muntu eTexini ngithukile ngiyatatazela angizazi ngubani igama lami angazi nokuthi I remember futhi that day itaxi bekuyi 6 rand ngaphuma eTexini ngayibhadalanga leyo 6 rand